Wow, so it feels like every week now we hear about a new feature that Apple is working on for iOS 19. Yes, I'm super excited for iOS 19 as Mark Gurman has already confirmed that Apple is working on one of the biggest overhaul to the operating system in over 2 decades. Not only iOS, but iPadOS and macOS, unifying and changing the user experience and the look of the operating systems with a hint of Vision OS throughout. Typically, we see the first beta for their next major updates the first or second week of June, so iOS 19 Developer Beta 1 is less than 3 months away. Now, today I want to talk about two features that we recently heard about that Apple is working on for iOS 19, one of which has been confirmed by Apple. Now, iOS 19 Developer Beta 1 will most likely be shown off on Monday, June 9th, the second week of June. That is when Apple typically hosts their Worldwide Developers Conference, their WWDC, and on that Monday, I think is when Apple will be officially unveiling the first beta with all these new features and changes that we're hoping to see this year. Now, that's not confirmed information, but if you want to stay in the loop, I've already created an invite within the Apple Invites application, which I'll link down below. You can stay in the loop right here. I'll be making announcements, so make sure to join, and that way I can send all the announcements through here, and you guys can stay in the loop in regards to the announcements for WWDC and any additional features that we hear about will be posted there. Now, I want to start off with one of the features that Apple is currently working on for AirPods and iOS 19. And now, according to Mark Gurman over on Bloomberg, Apple is currently working on a live translate conversation feature for AirPods. So basically, when someone talks to you on a different language that you may not understand, when you have your AirPods in your ear, you'll be able to choose a language where your AirPods will be able to translate in real time what that person is telling you in the language that you choose. Now, this is a feature currently available on other earbuds, but it is finally nice to see that Apple is bringing live conversation translation for AirPods. It is rumored that this will be available for AirPods 4 and AirPods Pro 2 via firmware update and the software iOS 19, set to release the first beta here in less than 3 months. So I'm excited for that. Now, one feature that is now confirmed by Apple to be coming to the iPhone with future software update is support for RCS 3.0. Now, currently within iOS 18, Apple supports RCS 2.4. Now, RCS enables better communication with Android devices, and 2.4 did add new capabilities such as typing indicators, read receipts, better video and image quality when sharing, even better, group messages. But RCS 3.0, which Apple has now confirmed to be supporting with future software update, could enable things like sharing custom emojis, like custom Gemojis with Android users, perhaps even the ability to share even more content through the Messages platform, very similar to iOS, but most importantly, end-to-end encryption has been confirmed to be supported by RCS 3.0, which is something that Apple will be adding to the iPhone here shortly with future software updates throughout the iOS 19 beta cycle and the iOS 19 software cycle in general. So we're not sure exactly when Apple will be adding support for RCS 3.0, but Apple has confirmed that it will be coming with future software updates here shortly. Now, Mark Gurman mentions that on the upcoming revamp to iOS, iPadOS, and macOS, despite of the risk involved in major interface changes, Apple executives say that they are confident that users will love the new look and feel of iOS, iPadOS, and macOS. Now, I think Apple has already shared a little bit of this within their new app, the Invites app. Again, I want to jump here and show you some of the new looks here inside of this application that I think gives us some hint as into what Apple is working on in terms of UI changes. So if I click on the Invites option here for sharing, you see right there the new look. This is sort of Vision OS-like interface right here with some of these translucent elements here. So I can go here and click on the edit options here, and you can see some of these buttons, how they look a little bit different than your typical iOS look for the buttons and things of that nature. But either way, guys, if you want to stay in the loop, make sure you check out the links in the description. Right here, I'll be making announcements and adding additional information of anything we hear until the actual iOS 19 Beta 1 is officially available. Either way, guys, let me know if you're excited. Let me know in those comments down below what feature are you looking forward to the most, and what are some of the features you would hope Apple to bring to the iPhone with this next major update. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.